Oh, what's up everybody? Welcome to the depot, and today I just want to do a quick build quality comparison between the different drawer systems that are available. So one thing I was mentioning with the Tough System 2.0, let me get this guy out of the way. Alright, the Tough System 2.0, it's a very, very sturdy construction. I like how it opens. I like how it locks. This is built very, very well. You listen to the plastic, right? But one thing that made me nervous was the drawer systems. If you listen to the plastic, did you hear that? It just seems like on the drawers, this is a brittle type of plastic compared to the exterior, right? And that's what made me kind of worry about the cracking, right? A brittle type of plastic, it makes me think that potentially, it could break. I don't know. I haven't used this system, but that makes me nervous. The new boxes, incredible plastic quality on the outside. I don't have any doubt that the outside exterior can take a hit. Opening up, you see thinner, harder grade of plastic. And a lot of wiggle. Would you guys be comfortable with this amount of wiggle in this grade of plastic? On a $300 drawer system. That's just a question. If you're doing 300 plus 300 plus 400 for the bigger one plus the wheels, we're running well over $1,000 for a mechanics setup. I'd assume it's a mechanics setup versus like a rolling metal construction from, let's say, Husky. These drawers, I don't think you're going to have any issues breaking, damaging, throwing tools in there, it falling over. I don't think metal's gonna have any of that. Compared to RIDGID just feels like it can take a hit. The box stands up fine. Then the drawers, they feel properly mounted, not as much wiggling. I'm even more comfortable giving them a pounding right here in the display. Let's put some force on it. The RIDGID's construction, in my opinion, feels like, let's say your system falls over forward. Would you be more comfortable with this grade of plastic if your system falls forward and it lands on the drawers? Takes the impact? Would you be more comfortable with that type of plastic? Or with that type of plastic? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Oh, by the way, we're getting to 1,500 subscribers. If you like and subscribe, and write subscribed in the comments, we're going to give away a full pack out modular toolbox system. It could be Milwaukee, it could be Tough System 2.0 or RIDGID, plus $1,000 worth of tools. Write subscribed in the comments, and when we get to 1,500 subscribers, we're gonna give a whole bunch of tools away. All right, see you guys later. Ciao.